let's do it. We're going to jump right into that map. It's going to be train. We're going to see if the Falcons can come in with the bounce back.
This should be a far better look for the Falcons. Inferno was a rough time. But here they head to a far more comfortable map for them in train. It's their pick in this semi-final. And this is where they're going to have to find their redemption. Stark difference between these squads on map 1, and Aurora at least have a real wind in their sails here heading into map 2. Even though it's one that this Aurora squad have had their struggles on, had their issues in.
Don't make fun of them.
I'm not. I was just curious.
It's kind of weird.
You got any injuries?
I mean, you're naked right now on the side of a fucking helicopter, bro. What's kind of weird?
You know what? I'm done.
You guys are good. I think I got everyone here.
We hot dropped one guy already. Looking for the rest? No way. Handbrake.
Evo, we got 2 guys here, so.
It's fine. They'll never see us coming. Like a fucking glove. New spawn has been placed if you die. What the fuck? It's a bird. It's a plane. Yeah, it's just someone that just got grenaded across the map, actually.
Contact.
I thought that was a fucking bird.
Drop you off there. I can do that as well.
Do I have to grab this? How do I get off this now? Did I just kill us?
I'm glitched.
We're sliding.
Did you take controls?
I'm not gonna lie. By accident, I did.
RIP to that, Heli.
That was fucking cool looking, huh? No, I didn't hit anything there, chat. Didn't cause him to spread misinformation about wardens.
Destroy a warden predator, steal a predator right from 82 DK's facility, nuke wardens, ground the wardens to dust. Tap warden logistic town.
Spread misinformation about the wardens.
Spread misinformation about the wardens. Gaslight wardens. Make Soy Dog boot up Microsoft Paint. Remind wardens it's been straight L's for half a year. Take a
down the road,
on warden
Summit? I'll guide
Take
you
their
here. I'm at the
femboys,
end.
nightcap wardens, sink warden freighters. Warden women prefer colonial men. Make wardens try
Okay, that garrison house is right up the triangle, but you can flank the stuff at the beach if you want to.
Warden women prefer colonial men. It's crazy.
Machine gun
That is crazy. Warden women prefer colonial men is wild.
So, cancel the plan, make a new plan, as they say. And hope the Tessers can crack a skull down on Ivy, but he gives it up early, comes back to a
There we
position.
go.
Nice
First pick
entry for
outside.
Nico. That B250 hits harder.
Nico, one tap.
Toxic gone. Nico tries to follow up. It's a bit messy, but he's got cover from Modesty, and Joseph's not getting out of that corner alive. 5v3 for the Falcons.
That's a tough one for Falcons,
Entries
though.
are
I
there,
mean,
flooding in, and
Center's the
CGs,
same.
but these double Julies not as lethal as Inferno. Flank from the pop side. Madra in the site.
You got
Just going
this.
to get overwhelmed here. Too many targets. Not enough time with Cardio 1v3.
How interesting can he make this? First kill was clean on the dualies. He's ready for Tessez up top. Hold on!
Wait, what? What?
It all comes through. The Dolberettas destroy the Falcons.
I heard the I heard him get the 1, then the 2, then I looked up, he gets a 3rd.
Smiling away, even no one can believe what they've just seen.
I mean, that's crazy. That should never be a thing. Dude, nobody's gonna pluck and stream your game? That's what you guys want? Oh, man. Killing me, dude. Why would you guys do that to yourselves? Jeez. Warden gunship captain here. I always sail around that island around this time. You can suck my dick.
I don't blame stream snipers anymore. I blame the streamers for streaming their game to the world. What you expect?
Suck my fucking dick. If it was actually you. You can come up with all the fucking excuses you want, brother. Oh, wait. Dumb Fox is trying to pretend he's smart right now.
East side from Friars?
No.
He gets caught trying to trade out a gun. Fugly finding another one. Jason R trades it back. And now
it's
Summit.
Fuck, guys, we gotta go. Get out of here now.
Fugly playing it aggressively. No, but Summit's gonna clutch it and slice.
Guys, we gotta leave.
We gotta get out of here.
Get out of here now.
What?
Get out of here. You gotta go fast. Run him over.
Keep going. Go.
I don't know if there's any medics around. Oh, here we go, Will. Holy shit! Did you see that? 7 dudes showed up with grenades!
Where all the tech goes, nobody puts the tech up anywhere else, and only our clan can make prototypes, and only we get the vehicles first because we bogart all the tech. That's what they went and did. This is what you guys get when you stream Snipe Summit. You're toxic for the community, you're toxic for the tech mates, you're toxic for the quartermaster. That's what's going on in the Warden backlines right now.
This dude's hilarious, bro. The mind games are crazy, dude. His mind games are crazy. Yo, bring him back, dude. Every good game needs a good villain.
Hey, buddy, you need a ride? I was just on my way to the big doofus convention.
RIP to that, Ellie.
I'm glad I'm wearing a helmet. That's all I'm saying.
Fuck.
I didn't see the right place.
What do you do? Just shoot it? What do we do with the nuke? We have to explode it.
Get back, get back, get back. This one's ready.
Ah! Wait, did it die?
I love my country!
Guy wants to shoot the nuke. I didn't know, man. I didn't know what that meant.
Nuke dead. Look at Chad, yeah. Chad's going nuts.
Oh boy, me lost.
Got this, Jared. You got this.
I believe. I believe. Fuck, I'm going deeper down. I don't think I'm supposed to be going down, right? There's some stairs here. No, it's down again. Another box, though. Brother, what? What the fuck is shooting? Is this just artillery? Later, noob. Bitch. Is that him? I feel that, okay.
Yeah. So they've been working it out. Like, I've been playing since, honestly, a while. Like,
Is this my guy? Okay. Yeah, it's not one. That's what I look like?